Hi guys, welcome to Colossus Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So today we want to continue on binomial theorem and binomial expansion rather, and today we are going to be talking about permutation. So what is permutation? Permutation deals with arrangement. So permutation deals with arrangement. Then in my next video I'll be talking about combination, which deals with selection. So permutation deals with arrangement, while combination that we're talking about in my next video deals with selection. Alright, so let's talk about permutation today. So let's say two permutation theory. But before I go into two permutation theory, coming back to solve this, the first thing you have to know is how do you permutate. If I have n permutation r, how will I do that? It's going to be what? N factorial over n minus r close bracket factorial. So this is n factorial and this is n minus r factorial. Now if I have two permutation theory, what does the 2 factorial over 3 minus 2 minus 3 factorial, 2 minus 3 factorial. Now you will notice something, that if you do 2 minus 3, it's going to give you 2 factorial over minus 1 factorial, which is wrong. Alright, so in permutation, one thing you will notice is that the highest number will always be the one up, while the least number will be the one here. So rather than saying 2 permutation 3, which is a wrong question, it's going to be 3 permutation 2. And 3 permutation 2 will now be what? 3 factorial over what? 3 minus 2 factorial. And that will be what? 3 factorial over 1 factorial. Now before coming back to solve this, what is the meaning of factorial? So you may be thinking, oh, what is factorial? I've not heard of factorial before. So factorial simply means, so if I have n factorial actually means n close bracket n minus 1, n minus 2, dot dot dot, and it goes on and on and on. So if I have 3 factorial actually means 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Alright, so that means to my question here, which is 3 factorial over 1 factorial, is going to be what? 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 over 1. And that will be what? 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6. 6 multiplied by 1, which is what? 6 over 1. So my answer here is 6. Now let's go to arrangement question. If I have a question that says, in how many ways can the word Colossus, in how many ways can the word Colossus be arranged? If I want to arrange this Colossus now, how will you arrange it? Very, very simple. Count the total number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total number is what? 8 factorial. Alright? So if the total number is 8 factorial, now the next thing you do is to know the numbers of the two letters that are here. So how many numbers appear 2 times? So I have 0, which is 1, 2. So that's over 2 factorial. Which number appears 2 times again? 1, 2, 3. So then 3 factorial. Alright, so I have 0 appearing 2 times, which is 2 factorial, and I have s appearing 3 times, which is 3 factorial. And that now be what? 8 factorial over 2 factorial 3 factorial. In my next video, I'll also be talking about the shortcut of how you can use this with your calculator. Rather than going through the long process, I'm going to show you in the next video. So let's do the process here. This one is going to be what? 8 multiplied by 6 and multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5. Rather 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by what? 4 multiplied by 3 factorial. Now you might be asking yourself, why am I stopping at 3? Why didn't I go on to 2 and 1? The reason why I'm stopping at 3 is because I have 2 times 1 down, which is 2 factorial, multiplied by what? 3 factorial. Alright, now 3 factorial in this place, we cancel 3 factorial. Alright, then we are now going to have 8. So we are going to have here 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4. And if you do that, you are going to have 6,720 all over 2 times 1, which will give us what? 2. Then if you divide your answer by 2, you are going to have 360. Alright, so that's 3,360. So that means the word Colossus can be arranged in 3,360 different ways. Alright, so let's see another question. Let's say, in how many ways can the word area be arranged? If I want to arrange the word area, in how many ways can it be arranged? How many number do I have here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is what? 4 factorial over how many number appear 2 or 3 times? I have A appearing twice. So that's 4 factorial over what? Over 2 factorial. And 4 factorial again to what? 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. Why? Because 2 factorial will cancel 2 factorial. So 2 factorial cancel 2 factorial. And that will be what? 4 times 3, which will give us 12 different ways. So you can arrange this in 12 different ways. So let's see the last question before we wrap up for today. Alright, so let's say, in how many ways can the word our precious Nigeria be arranged? So let's see, in how many ways can Nigeria be arranged? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 factorial over, did any number appear twice? No. So that means the number of ways is what? 7 factorial. And 7 factorial is what? 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 1, times 2 times 1. Alright, so if I do 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, is going to give me what? So 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that will give me 540. 5,040 ways. So that means you can arrange the word Nigeria in 5,040 different ways. So that means if A comes first, like this area, if you arrange A-R-E, if you scatter the number and rearrange them, it can be rearranged in 12 different ways. So that is what permutation is all about. So in my next video, I'm talking about combination, which deals with selection. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Then in my third video, which I'll upload also this weekend, I'm going to be talking about how you can solve all this using the shortcut on your calculator. I'll be doing that in the next video. So that'll be all for today. Thank you very much and have a good day.